tell us what's going on. Come, Chris, tell us what is happening here.
Now we are finding the rotten nets. We are finding here. Prevent our animals. All the animals, the buffaloes are eating it.
Yes.
It means they damage themselves.
There's George, the tall guy. He's the game scout. And then there's Elliot. He's the skinner. Paulus is my tracker. Chris is the skinner. There's Matengu. He's just a criminal. And there's Tobias. He's the head of the game scouts. We're just, look how beautiful it is. And the people just leave their nets here, the pieces, and now what we're doing, we're just burning it. Elliot, is there nothing in the back there? Matengu, run there and help Elliot, please. Good for game. It's all the old rotten pieces.